Hey, what's up YouTube? Just wanted to show you a quick way to get into your BMW using your key that's found on here. What you're going to want to do is on the key, there's a little button that'll pop out your key. Come over here. Behind this door handle,
Do you want me to redo it?
yeah.
Okay.
Come on over here. Behind this door handle is where your key goes. You pop that out by opening the handle and putting your finger behind it. You can next use your key to lock or unlock your car. Once you've gotten in your vehicle, you can replace this using this little hook. Slide that in and it pops back into place. When you're in the car, you can then hold your key against the steering column and that will register with the car and allow you to drive. Anyway, hope that was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a like, subscribe, or comment. Have a great day, everyone. Safe driving.